you guys. Actually, it's a Dollar Tree haul and a Family Dollar. But I went in there and it was a really big one. It was very, very nice. And I did find some things, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But first, I went to a Dollar Tree that I have never been to. Because I live here on this side of town now, there's just more Dollar Trees and things like that on this side. And yeah, I've been getting lucky finding things on this side. I did go in there looking for washi tape, and they didn't even have one washi tape. I mean, they had nothing. So I didn't get lucky with that, but I did get lucky with a couple of other things. So let me go ahead and get started. My husband picked this up. Now, he loves the do-rags and stuff like that. My husband wears a lot of bandanas and things like that, so he got a little do-rag slam. I lay it down do-rag. So he got that, and I think it's just one in here. Yeah. So he got that. He has about 3 of these. I picked up the squinchy hair color matching jaw clips, but I got the smaller ones. So I got a pair of those, or a set of those. I also found these. I had seen these hauled, and I was really excited to have found them, and my camera's getting hot. So let's see how far I can get, guys. The Bolero bath fizzers. I don't take baths, but my daughter loves to, so I thought I would pick her up one of these, and I'll let her tell me how she likes it. But I got her 3 of them. I actually took the last 3 that they had of these here. So hopefully she'll like it. We'll see. I'll let you know. And then in that, whoops, sorry guys, in that same brand, the Bolero, I got the coconut oil and sea salt pure vegetable soap. So I got this one here. So I got 2 of these. And then I was just sort of walking around, and I found this one laying out where it wasn't supposed to be, but it was the honeysuckle green tea. So I want to see how well these work compared to my Yardley ones. It smells pretty good. So anyways, also for the Bolero brand, or yeah, the line, I know somebody hauled the makeup wipes, and I really want to try that. So hopefully I can find them. I got the White Rain for Men Sport Body Wash. This is for my high schooler Aiden, and see if he likes it. So I got him that. And this store did have the LA Colors lip balms. This is the tinted and scented. They had all kinds of flavors, but I just wanted to try one. So I figured just get the one. This one is in raspberry, but they had all of them there. All the other Dollar Trees that I've hit up so far, I haven't seen this, so I'm glad to have it and try it. So I got that, and then finally what I got is some stickers. I haven't seen these in any of the other Dollar Tree stores that I've gone to, so I was excited. Hold on a minute, guys. My kids came home from school. Okay, ooh, it's hot in here, but I can't open up my window because the gentleman next door, they're putting up a brick wall, and he's blasting his music. Oh, well, look who's here, Miss Molly. Okay, guys, back to the Dollar Tree haul. I found these stickers. I thought they were really, really pretty because you know I love orange and yellow, and so I got these. Look at how pretty those are. They have a metallic, like a metallic silver to them as well. But you only get 11 stickers on this one here. Just trying to avoid the glare for you guys. There we go. So I thought those were so pretty for my planner. And then these ones, I was so excited to have found these. These are, again, 11 count. But look, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. What do you call that? Holographic? Is that what it is? It doesn't say. I think they're holographic. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. But, oh my gosh, I just fell in love with them. They were so cute. And then I got this one here. Look at that one. That one's so pretty. Colors are so vibrant. And then I got this one here. Wait, yeah, this one. I hope that's coming up. I can't tell on the viewfinder if you're seeing the holographic aspect to it. Because of the, let me see if I could take one out. I should have thought about that, huh? Let's see. I think you can. See that? Looks so neat. So neat. Yeah, that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Very excited to have found these, guys. Very excited. I might go back and get more of these. They didn't have very many. I probably should have got 2 of each. But that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, I really like these. Okay, my friends, that was it. That's all I got at Dollar Tree. I think what I'm going to do is do Family Dollar in a separate haul. I was going to do it together, but I think I'm going to do it separately because that one is pretty big. That one's quite a bit of stuff, so I want to go ahead and just show everything in a separate video for that one. So in this one, I'll show you really quickly. My mom, yesterday, she went to the Goodwills, and she bought me 2 things. Now, one is really bad. I got to clean it up. But in my bathroom, in the kids' bathroom, it's a beach theme, and I'm trying to do a sort of collage in there. And when my mom and I went to the Goodwill together, I had seen this, but there was no price on it, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of asking. Anyways, she went there and she asked them how much this was, and it says Calm, and it's a starfish, and it looks like a lattice or something here. And it's like a canvas, and it doesn't say the regular price or where it was from. No. But anyways, you know, just to put as a part of the collage, and they gave it to her for $1. So that's gonna go up there. And then the other thing, we had seen this together. I don't know why I didn't pick it up then, because it's a red tag, and this week is red. Sorry, my camera got hot. Okay, so the other thing that my mom picked up, it's this really cute shadow box, and it's, you know, has that shabby chicy vibe. Actually, I'm going to distress it a little bit, and it has yellow butterflies. So cute. I'm going to clean it up, and this one was $3.99, but everything red tag is half off, so $2. Not bad, huh? That was cute. So my mom got me that. She got me both of those. Okay, guys, that was it. That was my very quick Dollar Tree haul and Goodwill haul, or my mom's Goodwill haul. I did go to the Goodwill today, but it was just furniture pieces that I picked up. Some really good deals on some furniture pieces that will be going into my room, so I'm pretty excited. My husband has a lot of work to do on them though, so it's going to be a while since they will get put in my room. Okay, my friends, that is it. I will do my Family Dollar right now, so look out for that. Okay, my friends, see you later.